Blurry plates costing you thousands? Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam ends that nonsense. Proof. You're idling at that red light, tired, radio low, when some maniac blows through and T-bones you. Heart in your throat, you stumble out and already know your current dashcam just recorded expensive confetti. Again. Type again if you're sick of feeling naked on the road. What if the next time the footage was so sharp it shut everyone up instantly? That burning knot in your gut every time you park or merge, the quiet terror that one texting idiot could rewrite your life and you'd have zero proof. It's suffocating, isn't it? But lean in close, there's a 3-camera beast that turns that fear into smirk-level confidence. And once you see it work, you'll never drive naked again. Then I plugged in the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4003-channel dashcam, and everything changed overnight. Triple Sony STARVIS 2 sensors that laugh at darkness, 4K front snipes plates 3 lanes over, 2.5K interior catches every passenger whisper with IR that makes night look like noon, and a 2.5K rear that watches your 6 like a paranoid bodyguard. Voice control that locks clips while your hands never leave the wheel. 24/7 buffered parking mode that starts recording 10 seconds before impact. 5 GHz Wi-Fi that dumps crystal evidence to your phone faster than you can say, "Not my fault." I almost missed a hit and run in a dark Costco lot. Guy scraped me and bolted. Parking mode caught his face, his plate, even his "oh shit" expression in perfect clarity. Insurance paid me in 72 hours, no questions. When you watch playback and zoom in on a plate at midnight like it's broad daylight, actual goosebumps. Stick around to the end. I'm dropping the one secret setting that makes this thing literally unbeatable. Here's what happens next. You stop wasting hours arguing with adjusters. You hand over footage so clean, they just pay. You drive with laser focus because you know you're untouchable. Claims close in days instead of months. Money stays in your pocket and your rates don't skyrocket. Jaw-dropping results every single time. Experts are calling it the new benchmark. Top rideshare influencers say they won't drive without it. Analysts measured 2 times better plate capture than anything else in crap lighting. Real Uber driver told me it saved him $9,000 on a staged accident scam. Clear interior footage of the guy bragging. I personally watched my buddy hand over N4 Pro S footage in court. The other lawyer went pale and settled on the spot. But won't it overheat or eat my battery? Bro, Supercapacitor laughs at 158-degree Fahrenheit dashboards, and hardwire kit costs less than one skipped Starbucks run a month. Worrying about that is just cute. Wait till you hear the one thing thousands of owners are obsessed with that Vantrue doesn't even advertise. Drop the craziest thing you've ever wished your dashcam caught. Best stories get hearts from me. Look, the drivers who already know sleep like babies no matter where they park. The Vantrue N4 Pro S 4000 3-channel dashcam is the quiet flex that turns every drive into bulletproof peace of mind. I pinned the link right at the top of the description. Zero hunting, just click and level up. Come join the ones who never have to say, "I wish I had footage" ever again. You'll pull away from that first drive with it installed, grinning like you just got away with something. See you on the protected side, fam.